Good day folks, Jim Langlands here from FX Charts with the currency outlook for the Finance News Network for Thursday the 22nd of November. Having done nothing really all day yesterday, the Euro then took a pretty swift dive once the EC ministers failed to come up with a plan for the Greek bailout package. Went down to 127.35 pretty quickly, but losses were limited once word got around that there actually could be a deal done by the end of Monday. There's another meeting going to take place then, and so the euro pretty much recovered most of its lost ground. It's back above 128 and sitting pretty close to levels of yesterday. The main theme really of the day though was yen weakness, and the yen's continued to lose ground both against the dollar and on the crosses, and good gains were made all round really. And ahead of the election on December the 16th, it looks like the yen's going to remain under pressure. So I think any dips look like to be buying opportunities against both the dollar and on the crosses. So right now we've got the euros at 128.20, dollar yen's at 82.5, cables 159.5, and dollar Swiss is at 93.80. The Aussie's a little bit lower, that's at 103.65, and the Kiwis at 81.30. They both got a little bit choppy. The Aussie got down to 103, testing the 103.40 support, but has bounced back a little bit since with this slight turn higher in risk sentiment. The Kiwi likewise, that's been down to 81.10. It's currently bounced 20 points. Don't expect too much today. It's Thanksgiving in the States. So with them out for the next 2 days, I wouldn't expect too much action. Although we do get the HSBC China manufacturing PMI today in Asia. That might provide a little bit of action. The last reading was 49.5. If we get a number over 50, we might see a bit of a bounce in the Aussie and the Kiwi. Later on, we've got the European PMIs, and they maybe a little bit soft again. The European economy is looking in a pretty dire state. So if the Aussie does bounce, it may come under pressure later on again once those are released. But that's about it today. Don't expect an awful lot really. If you do want a more comprehensive outlook on the markets, go to the website as usual, www.fxcharts.com.au. And that aside, please just remember that any outlook mentioned here is a personal view only, not intended to be used as trading advice. So that's all for today. Have a very good one, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Cheers.